him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you a special Redline restoration of a Chaparral 2G from 1969. I believe it's copyright 1968. It was a 1969 second year release from Hot Wheels. And if you'll notice, it's missing a few things, but let's get it up on the turntable and take a look at it. Okay, so as you can see, it has no wheels, it has no hood, and it has no wing. So here it is, original Spectra Flame Green. And this is a US car, you can tell by the clear glass. We'll see how well that'll clean up. And just the two holes on the bottom, it doesn't have the slots for the axles to go in like the Hong Kong cars did. So now that we have that, I hear a delivery truck coming. And here it is. UPS truck just came by with the delivery. And to start with, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 brand new medium bearing wheels, Redlines from Bright Vision. We have a new wing, reproduction wing from eBay. I don't remember who I bought this from. I bought it a long time ago because I have another one somewhere that I was going to do a restoration on, and almost didn't do this because I've had these parts for a while, but I came across this thing the other day on eBay and I couldn't resist. Now this is an original hood, Spectra Flame Purple, and if you look here, where it connects is intact. And I didn't try to force it on. The passenger side does slip on somewhat snug. So here's all the parts directly from the kitchen. The interior and the window cleaned up very nicely. We'll just set those aside to dry. It's had a little bit of paint residue down in these crevices on the hood. I mean, that stuff's coming out. So I don't think we really need to do too much with this hood. I'm not going to worry about that burr on the back. We'll just let that go. I was hoping that this sticker, whatever this is, will come off of here in the went away in water, but it didn't. It looks like there's still some corrosion there. What did I do with my X-Acto knife? Seems like it should be right here. Oh, there it is. Okay. hope I'm getting this on camera. Let me rearrange this thing a little bit. There we go. Okay, so I think what we're going to try to do here, yeah, it's some good stuff on it, some good sticky stuff holding that on. I wonder if I could be careful there now, Don. Let me this a little bit of green paint that should come out with buffing. Oh, alcohol. Isopropyl rubbing alcohol. I cannot have too much of this stuff now. I don't want to pour this on my table, so we'll just set that in there and I should take that sticky stuff off, I would think. This also works good as what you call it, before I paint a car, just wipe it down, let it air dry, and that guarantees that there's nothing sticky on no oils or anything on the body of the car. I wonder if I should just add a little more there. And I thought that was corrosion that didn't come off, and that was sticky from that sticker. And I'm wondering, so some of these cars back in the day, I've seen some pictures on Facebook where they had stickers on the bottom of them from the Mattel, and obviously this car was never going to be worth anything in the condition it was in, so I don't know if this is going to add any value to it, but I would think a complete car is worth more than the condition that this was in. And now that I'm looking at a few things, see, without the paint, you can see all the flaws right there, right? Just a little bit of a burr. And here I go. Not showing on camera again. Let me readjust that. Okay. A little bit of a burr right there. Let me look through the camera. I don't know if that's showing up or not. So, right there on the top. Now that smacked into something, huh? We'll let that go, I think. It's right there. I think we'll let that stay. I mean, this car is never going to be perfect. So, I try not to obsess over these things too much, you know. It's all fun. This is, yeah. Alright, so this is where the magic starts to happen. Got the paint on. I need to go put it in the air fryer for a little bit. Just cure that paint before I touch it with my fingers so I don't put fingerprints in it. And then while that's drying, we'll get this other stuff together. Okay. See if we can get this open. This is another one of those things where this stuff, it gets into the threads on the lid and it doesn't want to open the next time. And I've been really trying to be careful about that. Looks like the threads are getting covered again. Probably the next time I open it, I might have to clean those up. We're not going to do that right now. Now, one thing that I really like to do on these old interiors, if I don't pinch it and throw it across the room, just dip it in that floor shine. That way it really gives it a nice look to it. Getting a little bit of a frog in my throat here. Trying not to clear my throat. Don't like putting that sound in the videos. Alright, so just like that, boom. That is going to be great. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I proudly present to you my fully restored Chaparral 2G in Spectra Flame Green. U.S. car, Hong Kong hood. Doesn't quite fit right, but man, does it look good. Let's get it up on the turntable and take a look at it. Alright, so we'll go back to what we started with and take a look at what it was and what it looked like. We'll let that roll around a little bit. Alright, so here we have it. Spectra Flame Green, U.S. car, Hong Kong hood, the deep dish medium bearing Redline wheels from Bright Vision. Dip the glass in the interior in the floor shine. Got a replacement wing for it off of eBay. And the only thing that I wish it hadn't happened is when I put it in the air fryer, the paint ran down to that side because I tilted it that direction on the back. And you know what? That's good enough for me. Because from what this car was to what it is, it started out flawed and it still has some flaws. And that's okay for a 1969 release, so it's a 52-year-old car. Like, come on now. Modifying the Hong Kong hood to fit on it. It doesn't quite fit right. It doesn't quite open right. It does open a little bit. It does close. But you gotta fight with it. You guys stick around. We're gonna get stuff rolling around here again. Got the Diecast International Builders coming up on the 15th. Impalas. And then starting in October, our release date is going to change to the 5th. And we got spooky cars, and I have no idea what I want to do for that. So we'll figure out something. I think I just might have got an idea. Why did that light just turn off? Okay, that was odd. Never had that happen before. But anyway, yeah, back to the Diecast International Builders. I think I just got an idea for that. Maybe. We'll see. Figure that out when the time comes. I got to get some boxes out tomorrow to some guys. One guy I owe some stuff to, and another one gonna send him some stuff. And then I'll get this video edited. And I get to pull out the where are they? Our subscriber's choice. Believe it or not, voting for this one is still open, so if you haven't seen that yet, go back and check it out. Voting will stay open until I do the release of the video, which I will do very soon. But I'm not going to do it tonight, so hey. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you. I love you guys. I love the atmosphere of the community and the camaraderie and how we build each other up and all the great stuff going on. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and click that like button. It really helps a lot. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.